Hey guys, Andrethefarmer here, and I'm in Fancy Fruit, and I want to show you guys how we're going to pick out a pineapple. So we're not going to pick out the pineapple that looks the yellowest or looks the best, because we want to pick out a pineapple that we can grow. So we want to find a pineapple that's fairly green and has a pretty tight core like this. This is a pineapple that will definitely grow. So now we're home with the pineapple that we selected for growing. Not necessarily for eating, although we are going to eat it. But don't wait until your pineapple is right before you remove the top. Remove the top right from the get-go. As soon as you get that pineapple, twist the top. It comes off very easily. And the pineapple, you're going to set this upside down in your house, and that's going to allow it for all the sugars to get throughout the entire fruit. So now we're just going to peel off these lower branches here, or lower leaves, or whatever you want to call them. And what we want to do is expose the rootlets, because there's little rootlets that you're going to see once you pull this apart. And you can see one right there. So once we've got a decent amount, we probably want to have about 1 inch. And a lot of people like to put this in water. I say skip the water. It's an unnecessary step. You can put these directly into the ground. So have this here. If you want to maximize your chances of this not rotting, let it sit out for 2 days, and then you can plant it. I just plant them straight in the ground, about a 90% success rate, so I'm good with that. So I'm going to tilt this down so you guys can see me plant it. So there's the old pineapple here. All we want to do is get down to a little bit of decent soil, which is hard to do in Florida sometimes. And we just want to stick that in the ground. That's all it takes. It doesn't really require anything specific. Doesn't require any special soil. Just want to water that in good the initial time. And then in a couple years, you'll have this.